Okay guys, today we're going to make Mrs. Wages, we're going to make refrigerator dill pickles with Mrs. Wages dill pickle quick processing mix. But we're not going to can them. Like I said, we're making refrigerator pickles. So you need 9 to 11 pounds of pickling cucumbers, 3½ cups of Mrs. Wages white distilled vinegar or any white distilled vinegar, 7 1/3 cups of water, and 1 pouch of Mrs. Wages dill mix here. So I'm going to go ahead and add my ingredients to the pot and show you what that looks like. Okay, so this is our first 2 cups of water. So there's 2 cups of water in the pot. So now I'm adding another 2 cups, which is 4 cups of water to the pot. Okay, so now I'm adding 6, that's the 6 cups of water. Now I just got to get 1 1/3 more. Okay, so now we got 7 cups and 1/3 of water, and now Dad's going to add the vinegar here for me. Uh-oh, are you out of vinegar? Okay. We need 3 1/3 cup of vinegar total for the recipe. Oh, Grandpa, you better let her pour this in. Come over here and stand on this end. Stand on the chair on this end. Hurry up.
Grandpa, just stand right by yourself.
Here, Grandpa will let you pour it in, I promise, okay?
Yeah.
Grandpa let you pour it in. Pour that vinegar in there. And it's 1/3. Did you get 3 1/3 in there?
2.
That was 2, okay.
Yeah. So, get away.
So now Grandpa's going to put another 1 cup and 1/3 of a cup in there. 1 1/3 cups.
This time I will go by myself. So I don't want you to go do it.
Grandpa will let you dump it, okay? Grandpa, let her dump it, please. So she's happy. Don't make a mess, babe. Good job. Woohoo! Now we just add the pouch of pickle mix. Here. Let Grandpa open it for you. With his knife. Let Grandpa open it. No, you dump the whole package in. Dump the whole package in there, baby. Good job. Good job. Now, we're going to put this on the stove and heat it up until everything is all dissolved. And then we'll be ready to pour our brines over our pickles. Won't we, sis? Oh, it smells so good. And I've already cut up my cucumbers into spheres, because that's how I like mine. And we've got a big pot full. So I'm just going to stand here and watch the pickle brine. What does it say? Boil? Do not use aluminum. Bring mixture just to a boil over medium heat, stirring constantly until the mixture dissolves. Just get me a whisk here. Bump my butt. Show us again. Show us your dance. Oh, so cute. Ta-da!
That's my video. Let me see it.
Hold on, it's on my video. Okay, now you're still stirring the brine. Although it looks like it's dissolved up pretty good.
Mommy, let me see my pencil.
It is a video.
The video.
I'll have to show you in a minute here, okay?
I think that's good enough.
Okay. That's good enough. So now the brine's nice and hot. What? Hold on, Jolene, please. Let go of my legs, please. I have to help Grandpa with the pickles right now, okay?
No.
Yes. We're almost done. All we gotta do is pour the brine in here. So I'm gonna move the pot there to the front so Dad can pour the brine in. Here, pickle brine. And as you can see, it's steaming like that. That's why Jolene can't help with this part. Although Jolene got to help stack the pickles, the cucumbers slices in the pot. And I'd say we definitely have enough brine there, Dad.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to get a plate real quick. Okay, so Dad's going to put the plate in there to keep all the cucumber slices submerged in the brine. And when this pot cools off to the touch and all the liquid cools down, then we're going to put it in the refrigerator and let it ferment for about a week until it gets the taste that we like, and then we just jar them up and eat them. So Jolene, what do we say to YouTube, Jolene? Jolene, give us thumbs up. Thumbs up. Give us thumbs up for our pickle video.
Yeah.
And go home and make some pickles, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye.